Hey students, welcome to my YouTube channel KAMESH Studies. Here, I, Vrushika Rana, will explain the concepts of chemistry class 12 in amazing ways. So, stay tuned with the channel and please like, share and subscribe for others also. So, today we are going to study chapter 1 solid state and we are going to move our sixth topic, that is number of atoms in unit cell. Right, we are going to see, we have already seen that what a unit cell. Now we are going to see that how much number of atoms it consists. My unit cell consists how much atoms. Okay, so yes, uh my unit cell is as we have seen, right, unit cell is divided into three different types for centered unit cell, right, and the primitive unit cell is only one. Okay, so yes, first we are going to see for primitive unit cell, then we are going to move for body centered unit cell, then we are going to proceed to face centered unit cell. So yes, if I'm moving to primitive cubic unit cell, right, so what is primitive cubic unit cell? It consists atoms only at my corners position, right? So if I'm talking for corners position, my center atom is going to share with 1 by 8 of an atom, right? So how it is going to share? So 1 by 8, you are going to have total 8 atoms, right? You are going to have total 8 atoms that are on its corners, and this is 1 by 8th portion of an atom which is shared with each and every corner atoms, right? So 1 by 8 consists of what? So 4 unit cells in same layer, right, and 4 unit cells for upper and lower layers. Hope you got this. So in this way it consists 1 by 8th part of an atom, right? And this 8 is where 8 atoms on its corner. So first you are given that hence total number of atoms in a unit cell is going to be 1 by 8, that is 1 by 8th part of an atom multiply by 8 corner atoms. So that give me answer as 1 atom. Okay, that gives me answer as 1 atom. So let me give you a quick review for it also. So yes, you can see here in the picture, if you see figure 1.12, that is in a cubic unit cell each corner atom is shared between 8 unit cell. So let's say that we are having this much part, for my unit cell, and this is shared with each and every, also shared with this this and this, and the same for their back sides also, right? So if you see, these are my corner position, and if I am having in the form of spheres, then it is going to be this, and this is the, if you see, this is my centered atom which is shared with each and every, atom. Hope you got this clear. So yes, in this way we have seen that my number of atoms in unit cell, right, for my primitive is going to be 1 atom. Hope you got this. Next we are going to see is my body center unit cell. So what is body center unit cell? Where my atoms are present at corner position as well as one atom is present in the corner itself, in the center itself, not corner, it is center itself. So yes, if you see, my primitive cell also occurs in this, that I am having 8 corners, multiply by 1 by 8 per corner atom, multiply by 1 by 8 per corner atom, so which directly gives me this, right? So it gives me 1 atom. Okay, next, if proceeding ahead, if it is body center unit cell, then I am having only one body centered atom, right? I am only having one body centered atom, so it is going to be again 1. So if I sum it, 1 and 1, and hence I am going to have total 2 atoms for my BCC. BCC is body centered cubic unit cell. So let us have the look on the figure itself. So if you see, um, A is your body center unit cell, and if you see, right, if you see the same thing, right, that each is, yes, 8 into 1 by 8 part, and again the atom which is present in the center, right, corner atoms, that is going to be 8 multiplied by 1 by 8 parts, and this is going to be my centered atom, that is only one body center. So hence we are having two atoms in total. So let's proceed ahead. So yes, my third is face centered unit cell. My third is face centered unit cell. Again, as I have said, my primitive is going to be occur in each and every, right. So yes, if you see here, I am having 8 corners multiplied by 1 by 8 per corner atom. That is my one atom. Okay. So now what happens is 6 face centered atoms multiplied by 1 by 2 atom per unit cell. So what this says, face centered unit cells are those unit cells where I can find atoms on the corners, as well as each on every face contains one of the atoms, right. So we are having 6 faces, right, we are having faces for it, right, and each is shared between their adjacent atoms, each is shared between their adjacent atoms. So yes, 1 by 2, right, 6 faces, and each is shared with 1 by 2 atoms. So it directly says that we are having 3 atoms, which directly says that we are having 3 atoms. Hence in total, if you sum it, this 1 atom plus 3 atoms, which gives me in total that there are 4 atoms in total. Hope you understood this perfectly. Hope you understood this perfectly. So this is a short thing that I have made for you, that is for primitive unit cell, primitive cubic unit cell, body center cubic unit cell, and face center cubic unit cell. For primitive, it is going to be my one atom. For body centers, it must be 2 atoms, and for face center, we are having we are having 4 atoms. So yes, hope you have understood this. So yes, if you have understood it, right, it's very well. But yes, if you have still any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and you are also going to comment for more such videos. Okay, so yes, this can be asked for your this can be asked for your Gujarat exams, right, for your Gujarat board exams. Each is asked for maybe 2 marks, right, each is asked for maybe 2 marks. But yes, whole if you are asked in a way that describes the number of atoms in a cubic unit cell, right, so you are going to write whole 3, that is my primitive unit cell, my body center cubic unit cell, and face center cubic unit cell. You are going to write all these 3 with their description as well as their figures also, right. In your textbook you are given 3 different types of figures. Okay, that is your open structure, your face space filling model, and you are also given the unit cell with portions of atoms actually belonging with. Okay, so out of this 3, even if you are drawing only one, that is going to be my open structure, that is also perfect for your marks, right. If you are drawing your figures in your exams, which is directly going to increase your scores very much. Okay, so yes, remember this 3 very perfectly, because in this lecture, because in this chapter we are going to use this many more times. Okay, I hope you love this video. So yes, if you have understood this video, please comment, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it in order to get notified first. And don't forget to press the notification bell in order to be notified. See you soon, dear. Have a great day.